FC01 Non-Removable Face ID Repair Operation. Preparation. Download Oshine platform at first. Search oshine.com in browser. Click Download on the guide bar. Click Download to download the file. Install it after downloading. Install the software. Register and then log in. Open the drop-down list. Click Install Driver. Start installing the driver. Start repairing after the installation. Step 1. Connect the device. Buckle the X14PM Face ID Activation RNW adapter on the FC01. Connect FC01 to computer with USB cable. Connect the activation port of FC01 with fast charge cable. The fast charger plug for FC01 activation must be with 9V2A input-output. When operate online, be sure to connect according to this way. There is a corresponding icon on the back of FC01, which indicates that it can connect it during offline operation. Connect mobile phone to computer with an Apple USB cable. Open Oshine platform on computer. When it displays the mobile phone data, click Face ID. Click Connect. Step 2. Backup the activation data. Buckle the Face ID that needs to be repaired on FC01. Click Detect on computer. It shows chip fused. Click Cloud Backup. Click Save. Click Active Repair. The following conditions are required during activation. Mobile phone connected. Original Face ID connected. PD fast charge input power supply. Good network. Click Activate. The data will be backed up to iCloud automatically after activating. Local backup is also available. Remove the original Face ID after backup. Step 3. Burn data. Buckle the AS tag on Repair FPC on the corresponding port of FC01. Click Detect on computer. It shows that it is the latest AS Face ID FPC. Click Cloud Burn. Select the data that needs to be burned and click Burn. It means burning successfully when it shows Burn Succeed. Or you can choose Local Burn. Click Local Burn. Select the saved data. Click Open. Remove the FPC and start installing. Step 4. Install the FPC. Buckle the tag on Repair FPC with burned data on the original Face ID FPC. Fold the FPC up by 180 degrees, then up by 90 degrees. Fold the FPC socket forward by 90 degrees. Fasten the well-installed FPC to the corresponding port of FC01. Click Detect. It shows that the FPC function is normal. Then install it into mobile phone. Here's the reference effect after installation. It is repaired successfully if it can use normally after installing into mobile phone.